So let's go to our front end and see how we can set up our front end. Well, actually, as I don't like writing front end code, I don't like at all writing CSS, especially CSS, and I even don't like using almost ready, almost actually built frameworks like Bootstrap or Bootstrap in the case of Svelte. Well, I've decided that I'm going to build the UI super simple using just the code from previous version, actually the code which is being built in Svelte, and we are going to use that. I just made some simple changes and just added the input here. I've just added a table here which we will give user options to download from, and we have all this ready here, which is everything is cool. Well, this UI looks really nice. Well, you can change it. I will put the code in my GitHub account. I will put the link if I don't forget in the description, and you can check it out. You can use it, and we can use this as our front end. So next video we are going to learn how to set up our Django REST framework, because that's the main functionality, and that's where you're going to work. Anyway, we can use a real simple UI that works, and our focus is going to be on the back end because I'm not a man of front end. And well, I believe that's all for this video. Okay, see you next video. We are going to set up our Django REST framework.